Hello students, today let us see the nomenclature of polyfunctional organic compounds. What is the system of naming an organic compound? That is the IUPAC system. In this IUPAC system, basically it consists of two rules, longest chain rule and least sum rule. And if a compound consists of functional groups, what is a functional group? A functional group is the group which is responsible for the characteristic properties of the compound. What are the different functional groups? Functional groups are alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, amines, nitro compounds, and in the simple hydrocarbons, the double bond and triple bond also called as functional groups. If only a single functional group is present, then that functional grouping carbon gets the first priority and the least number. If a compound has more number of functional groups, then which carbon will be given the least number, or which functional group is given the first priority? The first priority carbon gets the least number. For that, we have to follow some priority rules of different functional groups. This is the order. Always the terminating functional groups gets the first priority. What are the terminating functional groups? Terminating functional groups means the groups which are present only at the end of the chain. Mostly these are acids and acid derivatives and aldehydes. Acid is COOH, C double bond O, OH, carboxylic acid group, or sulfonic acid group, SO3H. These are the two types of acid groups, carboxylic acid and sulfonic acid. Acid derivatives. What are the different acid derivatives? These are acid chloride, esters and acid amides. Amide, acid chloride and alkyl derivatives of carboxylic acids, esters. And cyanides, next comes cyanides, then aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones belong to the same group of compounds, that is the carbonyl compounds. But here you see the aldehyde gets the first priority over the ketone because aldehyde is present at the end of the chain. And then alcohols, amines, ethers, azo compounds, azo means N double bond N, nitro compound, halo, and then double bond and triple bond. This is the order of priority of different functional groups. We have to follow this order only for naming the polyfunctional organic compounds. Now let us see a few examples. Let us take the simple one, CH2 double bond CH, CH, C triple bond CH. It is a 4 carbon chain, so the root word is but. But. If we number from left to right or right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. According to least sum rule, the functional groups present in this chain are double bond and triple bond. If we add 1 and 3, it is 4, and here from right to left also it is 1 and 3. But which will be given first priority? The double bond will be given the first priority. So it will be but 1 in 3-ine. But 1 in 3-ine. Double bond is given the first priority over the triple bond. And if a compound has both unsaturation and a functional group, This is the functional group. What is the functional group here? There are two functional groups, the double bond and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group will be given the first priority because hydroxyl group is responsible for the characteristic properties of this compound. So, we have to give least possible number to the functional grouping carbon. We can number from right to left or left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As priority is given to the functional grouping hydroxyl grouping carbon, we have to number from right to left. So, it is pent. Pent is the root word 5 carbon chain. So, pent is the root word pent. 3 in 2 ol. Pent 3 in 2 ol is the IUPAC name of this compound. Then let us take these examples. CH3, CHOH, CH2, COOH. This compound consists of both hydroxyl group and carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic group will be given the first priority because the carboxylic acid group will be given, it is the topmost priority group. Whatever may be the other functional groups, this will be given the topmost priority. So, we have to number from right to left 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3 hydroxy 1, 2, 3, 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. Coming to the next one, this compound consists of both ketone and aldehyde. Both belong to the same class of compounds, that is the carbonyl compounds. But which will be given the priority? The aldehyde group. What is the secondary suffix for aldehyde? Al, Al, al. It is a 5 carbon chain and at third carbon a keto group is present. Keto can be written as oxo also. So, it is 3 keto pentanol. 3 keto pentanol. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Right, students? So, we have to follow the priority order rules for naming the polyfunctional organic compounds. Hope this video is very useful to you. It is useful for the entrance examinations for naming the polyfunctional organic compounds. Please subscribe to my channel, students. I am going to upload many more videos. Thank you.